There we go.
Say hi, Russ. Hi. Lila, what does a cow say? What does a cow say? Good sitting. No, Russell.
Press the button. Press the button,
You
Lila.
press the button?
Oh.
Good sitting. There it goes. Uh-oh, Rusty's going bye-bye. Where'd Russell go? Uh-oh. Oh, there it came. Can you hit the button again? Oh, good job. Lila, look up here. Look up there. Good sitting. Oh, good save. You're getting so strong. Good girl. Okay, sit up. Good job. Good job. All right. Say bye-bye.